We live in a car-dependent society. Without cars, we wouldn't know how to get from point A to point B. 67.5% of Canadians commute via car, and that is an issue. More than 85% of the time, there's only 1 to 2 people in that car, but that impact affects everyone. It's one of the major causes of climate change, and it also means we have to dedicate more of our city landscape to parking lots, highways, roads, instead of using that space to better job opportunities near us and for outdoor greenery. It also exposes us to inordinate amounts of air and noise pollution, as well as increasing our levels of blood pressure and anxiety. What if I told you that there was a new way to get from point A to point B without having to sacrifice your mental health or the livelihood of this planet? What if I told you that solution is trains? Not those trains you see in those 1950s movies, but an eco-friendly, sustainable electric train that runs on solar panels, hydroelectricity, and magnetic fields. Our solution, the Electric Thunder, uses the power of kinetic energy, copper wire, and magnets for its first power source. So how it works is, as the train wheel spins, friction across the rail causes magnets to spin. As the magnets spin, it creates a magnetic field and pushes electrons through the copper wire, creating electricity. However, the first power source only works when the train is in motion, so we need a second power source to get the train moving initially. Thus, solar panels. We will have 23 400-watt solar panels per carriage, and that will generate enough electricity to get our train moving. But wait, what if it's raining? Or what about during docking? Great question. We have a third power source when the weather is just not on our sides. So our third power source would be having a hydro plant, which will be powering the rails. The rails will be charging the train using the similar system of how we charge our phones wirelessly. We will use industrial level inductors, lining them on the bottom of the train in order for the train to be charged using various circuits. So we have 3 different forms of power to get this train moving without having to use terrible fossil fuels. The train, unlike buses and subways, offers comfort, including desks for those who want to get work done during their commute, and is the only train in Canada that can travel from Windsor to Ottawa without having to switch buses in between. It is also luxurious from the inside and has a window that turns into a sunroof for all of your summertime sadness needs. Equipped with a TV, this can take you from point A to point B fast, efficiently, with no cost to the planet. It will also be the fastest double-decker train in Canada, traveling 250 kilometers per hour. Our motors will run on a simple H-bridge circuit using simple logic gate to control ignition, forward and backward controls. By riding the Electric Thunder, not only will it be an efficient method of transportation, but will lead Canada one step closer to a greener future. Thank you.